Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and in this new video we're going to make avocado tuna salad. And you're gonna need onion, you're gonna need cucumber, we're gonna need avocado, we're gonna need tuna, and you're gonna need black pepper as you wish, and all those things that you like adding. You're gonna need all of them, but just watch what I'm going to add and just follow the few steps that I'm going to use. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to turn the bell notification on so that you don't miss the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and to turn the bell notification on so that you don't miss the next coming video which I'll be uploading soon. Thank you guys.